Bob's one of my favorite people on the planet, and he has been for years. But today's extra special for us because it's an anniversary that hopefully many of us will never have. It's been a year since we almost lost Bob, like literally. Yeah, he had what they call a Widowmaker heart attack. He is back, and he is doing so well, and he looks fabulous. Please welcome the author of the Super Carb Diet, Bob Harper. So Bob is already a #1 New York Times bestselling author, but this is Bob's latest, the Super Carb Diet.
1 year ago, my heart stopped in this room. This is where I went down. I have no recollection of anything. I've had to change everything throughout the past year, my diet and my exercise, my whole way of life. I think the hardest part for me has been the emotional aspect, the fact that I had to redefine myself. In this year, I have worked out, but one thing I have not done is teach a class. Hey, everybody. Hi, guys. I really don't know what kind of class I'm teaching today, but as soon as I figured it out, you guys will be the first to know. I'm ready to work out.
I'm really so excited to be here to meet him, and not just meet him, but to work out with him.
2, 1, go. Jumping jacks, everyone. Down and up. Legs probably are burning a little bit. Good job. You're doing great. You did 20 before. Try to get 21 here.
I'm a huge fan of Bob Harper. I'd love to get any kind of tips for any kind of workouts from him.
Don't cheat on me. I'm right there in front of you. Go. It's 1 minute. All you have to do is beat your time. I love teaching classes. I've been teaching classes for years, but I just didn't feel like I had it to give to a group of people yet. Burpee, step up or jump up. 3, 2, 1, stop. I've got one more thing for you guys today. I have brought my new book, The Super Carb Diet, and then I'm gonna be signing a book for all of you guys right now. How you feeling, Kathy?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah?
Woohoo!
Thank you for a great workout.
Yes,
it was awesome.
You guys were great. It was so much fun to do. How you feeling?
Thank you. I feel great.
Yep, you did really good.
Thank you.
We got his new book, and we're very excited.
And we get to eat carbs and lose weight.
Please sign up.
The whole class is here.